sure this is. Oh my god. There we go. There we go. Why? No more. Please? Donnie has to like you. This is not Peach's castle. It's not the beginning of the game. This is just Tall Tall Mountain. You chose somewhere wrong in this game. Eh? Yeah. To you, Luna. I don't know why. What? This is not. Alright. Please tell me it's this again. Oh, why? Why? Let's pretend this is Peach's castle. Oh, so let's randomness. Let's pretend this is Peach's castle. Because what's this dog mad at? Right. You know, they could be like that somehow. Alright, let's pretend this is hello, Sage. What are you doing here? Why? Why? Why is it Sage Select? What if I do this to him immediately? He just woke up immediately. What? Okay. Let's pretend this is Peach's castle. Oh, what? Ow. Of course. It crashed. It's like this, like, sorry, not gonna see Mario at all for now. It's Super Mario. I already know. Oh, great. Not great. It crashed. Oh, why? What? What? Really? It crashed. That was Windows 8 error. Oh my goodness. That was Windows 8 error. Really? How come you're tired? It's not. Oh my god. Really, Donnie? Okay. The man with the plan is Super Mario. I don't think. Why? I don't think. Oh my goodness, what do you mean I don't think? Why? Oh no, 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 no. What the? What? I haven't even got that cat yet. My. Alright. It's like this. Sorry. The arrow's like, sorry, you can't see Mario. And it crashed. The man with the plan, Super Mario. Alright, I know the character name. Oh, okay. Why? It's like this. Ooh! And then it's like, sorry, you're not gonna see Mario today. For now on. The arrow's like, sorry, you're not gonna see Mario again. For now. I crashed the game because you corrupted it. Oh no. Why? Why I want to do that? Ah! It crashed like that. Why? What? Why? Ow. Why? Just like, sorry, not gonna see Mario. I crashed the game because it's corrupted. I don't get it. Let's pretend this is Peach's castle. Why? This is Peach's castle. No, it isn't. Oh my goodness, what have you done? Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Why? Oh my goodness, there you go again with this game. What? Yoy, 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 yoy. Of course you're first. Instead of you being last at this point. A few days in a row. Yeah, a few days in a row. I bet. Oh, he's next. This is all Oscar's turn next. He's my favorite. He's my favorite bonus stage anyways. For years. What? Don't worry, I'll take care of this after the bonus stage if I win. I don't want to retry this again. Good. Did not want to retry. Wake up! There you go, much better. All refreshed and prepared. Time to wake up. Okay. It's Super Mario. Yep. The well-known character. Nintendo character. You forgot to say that in that sentence. A well-known Nintendo character. Oh, you both of you mentioned that Scott is full today. Yeah, the exception is like, no, you're not gonna see Mario. Sorry. Why are you mad at, dog? I don't get it. Not even catnip mode yet. The butterflies. I'm just gonna let this one just disperse before the others. Before the others. Why? What was that about? This is the red 3D8. Really? Is this what it's supposed to run graphical games on it? Okay. Ugh. Oh man, Mario. What? Now give me the pause button, please. There we go. Before I go, I want butterflies. More. Oh my goodness. Now they're gone. Why? I can't handle it anymore? Okay. It's Mario. The man himself demanded to play Super Mario, we all know. Is he coming out of the pipe in the beginning? Yeah. Two of you speak back. Oh my goodness. What? It ended like that. Can't. My best buddy. That's, yeah, you came back. It's Super Mario. Oh, come on. Now for a few days in this, too. Okay. That was quick. Only 8 minutes left. Oh my god. There's a red 3Ds where you run some kind of graphic game, something like that. It needs it. Dolphin needs it. Yes. That's not ET6 Mars Fly. This is Koopa's boss number 1. Really? Okay. The game's taking a while to load. ET6 Mario's Fly? Okay. That's not ET6 Mario's Fly. Why are you playing wrong music in this? While Peach is reading a ladder. Yeah, I played Bomb on Battlefield. Just the first note. And then Peach is like, oh my goodness. Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I have baked a cake for you. Yeah, what happened? Why? Why you play that music? Really? You? Really? That's important. Clean up after someone's important. Please, Luna. Don't say it's just too tiring. I want you to do a more good job on that. Oh, that's not even ET6 Mars Fly from Level Select. Why is it playing Bomb on Battlefield? That doesn't fit at all. Let's go to ET6 Mario's Fly. Like at the beginning of the course, Mario falls until you land into some kind of on top of the fortress like I haven't been to there currently. Like I've been to there currently, you have to land in the fortress. Oh. I don't know why I did that. But it kind of doesn't make sense to start. Princess Toadstool. Peach. Why is it playing Bomb Battlefield in the music? Why? Don't have another choice than that. Oh, that's the last of it. Really, Luna? Sure, why not? That's not ET6 Mario's Fly. Luna, did you just say anything? Or the mess just appeared from her and then immediately just disappears afterwards? What happened to Peach's ladder? It's just only the text, not even some kind of paper in the text. It's just a text out of it. Where's Peach? She's not there. Looks like it's just her voice and selected the wrong course. Yeah, Why is it playing that? Come on. No. I chose the wrong thing. I do not like it. Thank you. Let's go to ET6 Mario's Fly. No, that's not the right course. You chose the wrong one. Also the music, you chose the wrong music too. For Peach's Ladder. Alright, let's go to, yeah. Nice choosing that level. in Peach's ladder when you choose it wrong. Nice choosing it. It's wrong. One star is fine for now. I'm not really going to complete this again. Oh. Peach. Hello, Sage. What are you doing here? Okay. Okay. Where are we going? Buddy, I don't like this. I give up. No, don't give up, dog. Please, don't give up. Dogs never give up. Really? I just said they never give up. Oh, sometimes. Are you singing that nursery rhyme again? That's funny. Oh my god.